Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking for a ultrasonic toothbrush, this video is for you. So this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you do a little overview of our ultrasonic toothbrush, what all comes with it? What do you think? So in no way whatsoever this being provided to me affect this review because I'm just here to keep it real. So if these are important to you, this thing just at a glance is awesome. Very easy to use, one touch. As far as here is concerned, you have 5 different modes being highlighted. This does not come with a charging stand, which I think is actually a good thing, because sometimes you put them in the stand, they fall over, whatever, and some toothbrushes need to be charged almost on a daily basis. This thing is not like that. So on a full charge, which takes about 5 hours, so basically overnight, this thing with normal daily use, the battery will last 150 days. Let me repeat that, 150 days. That's one of the biggest call outs on this toothbrush. Very, very impressive not having to deal with all that. So you have your first setting. You can kind of hear it there, So that's what's considered a soft cleaning mode. Then when the icon changes, that is a daily cleaning. Then you have a deep cleaning, a whitening, which is more of a different type of vibrating. And then you have what's considered more of a gum care. So 5 different modes, and there is a LED display, sort of a illuminated display. This thing charges with a watertight compartment here at the bottom. You just pop it open. You're not going to lose this because it's connected, and it has a USB-C. It does come with a USB-C cord here that is roughly 18 to 20 inches long in length. It does come with a travel or protective cover here just to keep this clean when not in use. Nice and convenient. It also comes with 5 additional sealed brushes. These just pop off like that. They're just sort of pressure, and then they just push on there with pressure. And another benefit of this thing's just got it all, is a hard travel case. Everything fits in here nice and neat. And the length on this, just from a storage standpoint, is about 7 3/4 inch long this way. It snaps closed. And it has venting, because if the toothbrush is wet, that can kind of let the moisture out as it dries. Some technical specs on how fast this thing is vibrating. So this is ultrasonic. So this is vibrating at 76,000 vibrations a minute. That is what's gonna clean the old teeth, tongue, gums, everything in the mouth as far as oral care is concerned. Very, very impressive. So if you are looking for an all-encompassing, does it all, travel 150 days worth of battery life, pretty much everything you might need, I am very impressed with this. Hopefully this answers any questions you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.